Welcome everyone. My name is Bridget Lessard, and I am a storyteller, MC, and coach. And my life is all about stories and manifestation. That's right. And you know why? Because I have partnered up with two amazing ladies. The first one is Eileen Head, who is Live Your Best Life mentor. Eileen, yay!
Hi,
And the
everyone.
other lady that, oh, sorry, guys, I got to remove that recording button. And the other lady that's going to be hanging out with us in Canmore this weekend is Marilyn Young. And Marilyn is an empath, intuitive counselor, and healer. Woo! Look at me surrounding myself with some big names. I am so stoked to be spending the day with you next Saturday, April 29th or
9,
8th,
29.
29th
Right.
in Canmore. It's going to be a full day of manifestation. Now, before I move on to like the real star of the shows, I wanted to share with you, if you're wondering what is she doing with these people, like she's about storytelling. Well, guess what? Storytelling is one of the biggest manifestation you can ever use, because you have a whole group that you're taking on the road with you, thinking the same way you do and visualizing what you're giving them. So manifestation is powerful, and I use it in my storytelling big time. So, without any delay, I would like to introduce you to the brain behind this event, and that is Madame Eileen Head. Eileen!
Hi, everyone. I'm so excited for you, and I'm excited for the journey that you're going to be going on this weekend. I'm going to be giving you the processes to help you raise your vibrational energy, which is fundamental to creating the law of attraction and bringing in what you really want. So there's processes, and we're going to have fun during the day doing that. There's going to be lots of interaction. This is not a lecture program. There's lots of interaction. There'll be fun. I'm just going to run through the list here of what it is I need you to bring. One of the most powerful ways to begin your manifestation is start to visualize. Before you come to the workshop, start to, put out those thoughts and what is it I want? What is it I'm yearning for? What experiences am I looking for in my life? Start jotting those down. They will start to build energy. And I'm going to give you the processes for that. I'd like you to bring a journal or a notebook in case you want to make some notes. Bring a sweater, bring a water bottle. What else is, and it's not too late to invite your friends either.
I was
Um,
going to say, bring a friend.
absolutely. You know what? Um, it is going to be a powerful day for you. I use manifesting all the time. Bridget has a brilliant manifestation story, and so do I. And Marilyn, you probably have them too, right?
Oh, I do. Yeah, I do. And I'm excited to meet everybody and to work with you guys. It's going to be a fun day. And my role is just to sort of bring in any messages from spirit that might be there to help you along your journey in terms of manifestation. We can all tune into our intuition, and if you need a little bit of help with that, that's why I'm there.
Right.
Fantastic. Marilyn, talk to your people. I want to manifest $1 million by Sunday. Just saying.
Okay. My people will talk to your people. How's that?
And it'll be up to you to create it.
Yes.
What? You want me to work now?
Well, you know what? That's interesting because the secret was so popular, and yet a lot of people were very disappointed that, they think the positive thoughts and then they didn't come in. But there's more to it than that. Oprah says in order to attract to you must be on the vibrational level to bring that to you. And that's what we're going to be teaching you.
Yeah, and you got to be ready to see it and grab it and work with it. Like it's fine to manifest it, but if it goes right by you and you do nothing,
That's right. It's going to be the processes, and there'll be
Yeah.
lots for you to
Yeah.
do.
so we're super excited to have you coming to our first ever Hidden Secrets retreat. Are we calling it a retreat?
Uh,
Workshop? Retreat?
Workshop program, whatever.
Whatever you want to call it.
Journey.
Whatever you want it to be, you're going to manifest it. How's that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
I hope
we will
you'll join
see you
us.
Saturday morning, 9 a.m. at the Canmorian. I've attached the address with the email again. And last word of wisdom, Eileen?
Well, before that, if you are coming up Friday night, be sure to let us know because we're going to be going out for supper. Or if you're staying after Saturday, let us know on that so that we can make arrangements, we can make a reservation. And the last word is this is a day for you. Take this day. This is clarity. This is a way for you to begin to create the life you desire.
And what about you, Marilyn? Last word.
We can all do it, and working at it together makes it more powerful.
And fun. We'll see
Hmm.
you Saturday, 9 a.m. on the dot.
See
See
you
you
then.
then.